BabyBus.
Hi! There's going to be a party at the beach! Hamburgers will be super popular! Driver's seat. Welcome! What would you like to order? We'd like to order this. The customer did patty and cucumber burger. Now we have the customer's orders. Let's prepare the food. Egg. Patty. Cucumber. Pick your favorite sauce and squeeze it on the burger. Wow, the burger's ready! Wow, what a delicious burger! Thank you! Thank you! Thank you! Good news! There's a new amusement park nearby! Let's go sell cotton candy! Outside driving. Uh-oh! There's a flock of sheep blocking the road! Honk the horn to drive the sheep away! Whoa! The sheep are gone! Let's driver's seat! Outside driver's seat! Outside driving. Welcome! What would you like to order? We'd like to order this round cotton candy. Now we have the customer's orders. Let's prepare the food. What flavor of sugar do you like? Strawberry. Strawberry. Wow, it is so big! Let's decorate it. Wow, the sweet cotton candy is ready.
Oh.
Yay! All sold out. Time to pack up and go home. You've reached the finish line. Time to draw a prize.